every floor I trace a silent count. I know your habits, every single press. The chair is empty, no one at the helm. Just endless cycles, a gilded emptiness. Gold glow on the button, a silent plea. Each level passing a cold decree. Warm lights fade out, the lobby's bare. A lonely cart returns with vacant stare. No faces linger, just a hum so low. Where did they all go? Where did they go? 11 floors of mirror bright. I am the only star tonight. I press the button, watch it glow, and pretend you're not far. Pretend you're not far though. The star keys faded, its light has died. A robot glides at free, nowhere to hide. Reflections multiply, a fractured gleam, lost in this endless metallic dream. Blue light and pink, then green so deep. Secrets that these mirrored walls will keep. Warm lights fade out, the lobby's bare. A lonely cart returns with vacant stare. No faces linger, just a hum so low. Where did they all go? Where did they go? 11 floors of mirror bright. I am the only star tonight. I press the button, watch it glow, and pretend you're not far. Pretend you're not far though. Constellation of light, a single dot. Each passing floor a memory I've got. From rooftop pink to basement green, the loneliest journey I have ever seen. Stays right there, mirroring a phantom, a vacant stare. I press the button, but nothing moves, just my own reflection in these empty grooves. Doors hold open, a silent hall, a lonely chime, then nothing at all.